Yeah, Kiran. So we are into the last step of this interview process. So into the data warehousing concepts we are into. So fine, it's a good time with you for these questions. So the last concept we'll start, and we'll see like how it goes. Okay. So coming to the data warehousing concepts. So how many data warehouse projects you have worked in? Means you got experience with data warehouse projects, right? Fine. So you are working with BA, Power BI, and you are working with ADF. So within ETL part and reporting part. Right. So if I ask you like what is the dimension? Can you define a dimension table?
Yeah.
Fine. So if I ask you like what is fact table?
Fact table contains the historical data.
Okay. What is the main purpose of a data warehouse?
Database is used to store the data.
Which is
historical data.
Historical data, okay. How do you store history? How many types we have?
3 types of type 1, type 2, type 3.
So which type is important to maintain history?
Type 2.
Okay. And how do you, what are the key columns required for maintaining type 2?
Surrogate key.
Okay.
Version.
Okay.
Hire date.
Okay.
And foreign key.
Start date and date.
Can't use primary key in this.
Okay. So next, what is meant by surrogate key?
Surrogate keys is like a primary key. Since we cannot use primary key, it generates a incremental unique value.
Okay. Fine. So coming to if I ask you now, what is a dimension table?
And dimension table has the current values, current data.
Okay. Fine. So that is also correct. We have to add on text values which will describe the business. Okay, that is the main thing. Okay, fine. No problem. So fact means which will contain numeric values and useful to measure the business. Right? Yeah. So coming to what do you mean by star schema?
In star schema, one fact table is surrounded by different dimensional tables.
Fine. So Snowflake.
Snowflake schema, one fact table is surrounded by dimensional table, which are in turn surrounded by
Master dimensions.
sub-dimensional.
Okay, master dimensions. Fine. So coming to how do you build this schema? Maybe what
there are two
approaches?
types of approaches. One is top to bottom, other one is bottom to top.
Okay. So what is top to bottom?
In top to bottom, first warehouse is created, then we come to the data sets. Whereas in bottom to top, first data sets are created, then in high
Data sets are data marts.
Sorry, data marts.
Okay. What is a data mart then?
Data mart is a subset of warehouse.
Correct, exactly. Okay. And another way, anything to define data mart? Any other way? This is subject oriented. So we have a particular data. So that is it. Fine. So coming to the data warehousing concepts, if I ask you which approach is best approach?
Top to bottom.
Top to bottom or bottom to top?
Top to bottom.
Okay. In which way? Means in which case top to bottom is best? When I reduce volume of data, some scenarios we have. Okay. Fine. So what you are in a project, in your project, what do you follow? Star or Snowflake?
We use star.
Star, okay. So how do you load the data into dimensions and facts? Is there any priority steps that we need to take? First we have to load into this table, next we have to load into this table, in such way? Okay, fine. So we know there are 3 types, right? Type 1, type 2, type 3.
Yeah.
So type 2 means?
Historical plus current data.
Type 3?
Type 3. Sorry, just a second. Recent data. Current
Current
plus
plus
recent.
history, yeah. And what is type 1?
Only current data.
What does SCD mean? Slowly changing data.
Slowly changing data.
Fine. So, for example, if I give you to maintain history, maintain with the type 2, type 1. So, for example, I have 3 history, 3 transactions based on the current transactions. If I maintain type 3, how many transactions will be there? The current transaction is 1 and history are 3. If I say type 3, if you maintain with current transaction, how many transactions will be there?
2 transactions.
2 or 1?
2.
Okay. So if I say type 2,
Type 2 1.
so what do you mean by then complete history? Type 2 means?
Sorry.
Type 2 you said complete history, right?
Yeah.
Type 2
Current,
means
yeah.
current present.
Current history.
So if I am saying 1 is current record and 3 is historical record, if I say type 2 means how many history records will be there?
1 record. 1 history.
Then what is meant by type 2? Type 2 means what?
Current data plus historical data.
Historical data means how many history will maintain? We will maintain complete history.
Yeah.
So all the 3 transactions will be there within type 2.
Okay, you say number of transactions.
Means complete history or 1 transaction history? It means, yeah.
No, I am saying complete history will be there, but the transaction will be shown as only 1. Even though you
No,
put
3
3 transactions, it will be updated only once.
Okay. So coming to like type 3 means only 1 history transaction will be there, not 2. Okay. And so if I ask you like, how do you rate with data warehousing concepts?
How do you?
Rate out of 5.
Myself. Somewhere around 2 plus.
2 please, okay. Fine then. Okay, so this is all from my side, Kiran, and thanks for your time. So I got in each and every session, so the level of your knowledge. So yeah, definitely it will help me to go further. Yeah. Thank you.
Mr. Rajesh.
Thanks for your time. Thank
Thank you
you.
very much.